Welcome back once again, guys. This is Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for subscribing and for viewing my videos. You can remember previously I made a video on how to preserve your unripe plantain for a longer time. This is from the video which I showed different ways to store your plantain for a longer time. So we made this paste and I said I was going to show you how to use this to make plantain fufu. So as promised, we are going to quickly make plantain fufu with this plantain paste which we grated. It's quite simple. So I have my plantain paste here which I've grated. If you have some green plantain and you want to start from scratch, you can just simply peel the plantain and then blend this with a blender with a little water. It's as simple as that. So this is still saved after a month plus, so we still have this. It's still good and it's frozen. So what I'm going to do is to bring this into a bowl of water and allow this to thaw gently. And you can take a look at this. It's still very strong inside. I'll leave this inside the water for close to 10 to 15 minutes to thaw gently. After like 10 minutes, this has melted. Just be sure this melts completely so you don't end up with a lumpy plantain swallow or plantain fufu. I'm just going to bring this into a medium pot, then empty this into the pot. Just make sure you don't add too much water so you don't end up with a watery paste. The water I added to blend this was quite small, so I won't be needing water anymore. Right away, I'm going to place this on heat and start stirring. Now to make this plantain fufu, we are going to place this on medium heat, and I just make sure I stir this intermittently until the plantain paste starts to thicken. As you keep stirring this, you will notice some little lumps forming. All you just need to do is to keep stirring. With time, this will smoothen out. Use a little force to press this against the pot to even out the lumps. As you keep stirring this, you will notice the paste has changed from pale brown to a deeper brown. So it's beginning to cook. So you just keep stirring this until it thickens and becomes smoothen in consistency. Okay, I've been stirring this for 10 minutes, so I'm going to use a spoon to scrape the wooden turner and the side of the pot. Just going to bring everything together. We're just going to place the lid over this and allow to cook gently on low heat. I've left this for a minute now, so I'm going to flip it over. Just fold everything and bring everything together so it mixes together. So I'm going to still place the lid over it and make sure it cooks properly. Once you have a very smooth paste which is not too thick, it means the plantain fufu is ready. So we quickly turn off the heat and bring it down. This is what it looks like. Very smooth and easy to mold. Now we are going to empty this into a glass bowl. First of all, I'm just going to make sure the bowl is wet so that when I want to serve this, the plantain fufu is going to slip out easily. Just make sure your bowl is wet so that it can easily flip out once you want to serve this. So we are bringing this into a bowl. Just use a spoon to flatten and to smoothen the surface. I'm going to place a lid over this and leave it to cool for at least 5 minutes. Okay, once you've allowed this to dry, it's easy to empty this into another plate. Now we have our plantain fufu or plantain swallow ready. This is quite easy to make and you can pair this with your favorite soup. As for me, I'll be pairing this with vegetable soup. Very easy to make and easy to mold. Okay, this is how I love to enjoy mine. I love to enjoy my green plantain fufu with vegetable soup. It goes well with any kind of soup. Just sure you will not regret recreating this recipe. Let me know what you think about green plantain fufu. It's an amazing meal. Thank you guys for watching. Let's see you next time. Bye.